Hey Renee, there's a new product out that real estate agents are absolutely raving about. It's called folio.com and it's an add-on that you can add to Gmail. And what it does is it recognizes addresses. You click yes with buyers or yes with sellers, and it creates these special folders for you for real estate sales transactions. In addition to that, once you choose it, it will allow you to enter in the dates of the accepted offer, the um, the timelines for. Um, Let me see. I'll show you. Well, offer accepted, closing date. It does home inspection date, appraisal date, walkthrough date. All those dates are in there. And what it does is it will actually allow you to enter in the contacts and the notes and the files, and it will notify the sellers automatically with updates. And supposedly, the way this works is that the home buyers and sellers absolutely love it, and it makes your job for what you do like really easy, and it automatically updates people on what's going on. So what I would ask you to do is please go in and explore it and use it. It would make your life very efficient. And in addition to that, um, it'll make your job easier. Now, I know there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve to learn how to use it. There's a 14-day free trial. Once you use it for a couple weeks, get used to it, learn about it. They'll help you set it up and get it going, and spend some time learning the program. I'll pay you by the hour to do it, and make it part of your job. And charge me for the time that you're learning this program, obviously. And then we upgrade it. There's a monthly fee, but I want you to be able to use it. It will also get updates from the lenders, the real estate brokers. It will send these emails for you in some capacity. You can set it up. It's pretty cool. Not just with sellers with new listings, but also with properties being under agreement as well. So again, I haven't really spent a lot of time setting it up, but I would like you to do it and check it out and see how it works. It automatically put this little thing on the side here for me, and it's pretty cool. It already comes up with suggested clients for this property, and you can add them as the buyer or the seller. Um, anyway, it's pretty dang cool. A lot of real estate agents are talking about it, and I'd like you to check it out. Talk to you soon.